Hello, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm gonna be reviewing and showing you this sign. Let's begin. Here we go, guys. You've seen it on the videos, and this sign, which is really nicely made, as you can tell, it is from Sign Monkey. Right there, guys. If you need a sign for your shop, whichever or whatever kind of sign, go to Sign Monkey, guys. Tell them PHARRAWAY sent you. They will do you good. As you can see, really nicely made, illuminated, and it just stands out. It really stands out. Shows the quality of craftsmanship that they do. As you can see right there, all the little angles. Wow, that is ridiculously nicely done, guys. So I do have a video. They do send me a couple of videos as to how they made it, how it's been created. So let me show you again, guys. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description below for this sign, and for if you want some signs made for your shop with your logo, with your whatever you want it to say, they can help you out. Let me turn it off so you can see it right there. That's how it looks off, and if you turn it back on, it just stands out. Let me turn off the light. There it is. Stands out real nice, guys. So everything's in the description below. Hit them up, tell them PHARRAWAY sent you, and let me leave you with the creation of this sign, how it was made.